Straumann SIRIOS Portfolio, coDiagnostiX workflow. Select new coDiagnostiX case. Add your patient information. Note that all fields are mandatory. Select which arch will be treated. Only coDiagnostiX workflow is allowing you to scan just one arch. Scan the arch as seen in the scan technique video. Click on the Start button of the handpiece to start scanning. In this case, we have selected to scan only the lower arch. No other scans will be needed. Once finished, hit the Scan button on the handpiece to stop scanning and click Review to process the data and move to the review screen. Review your file, making sure you have captured all the necessary data and hit Next. Add the due date. Check the Add Prescription to checkbox. You can add attachments and notes to your case. Select either Straumann Access Export to share the case with your favorite laboratory, or Local to export the file on your local network. Click Send. Once uploaded on Straumann Access, the platform will allow you to export the case to your laboratory. You can also select Send Later and download the files to another in-office workstation connected to your Straumann Access account. Navigate to the Files tab of your patient order. Simply hover over the file to have the download icon appear. You can switch directly from Sirios to coDiagnostiX using this button. Please note that the scanning software will automatically close, as both applications cannot be open at the same time. Once exported locally, simply import the file in coDiagnostiX software.